Hi everyone. Today we will be talking about percent word problems. The most common ones that come up on the CHSPE are discount, tax, and tip word problems. So let's take a look at number 1. They tell us the original price of a computer is $500. The tax on that computer is 6%. So what is the price of the computer selling for? So to do this problem, we start with the $500 and we want to find 6% of that. So we're finding 6% of 500. To do any operations with percents, you have to first change the percent to a decimal. So we're starting with 6%. And to change it to a decimal, you have to move the decimal point 2 spaces to the left. So you have 6, and the decimal point is here because it's a whole number. And you're going to move it 2 places to the left. So we have 1, 2. So now the decimal point is here, and we put a 0 here. So it's 0.06. 6% equals 0.06. The word of in percent word problems will always mean multiply. So you have 0.06 multiplied by 500. And that will give us 30. So then to get our selling price, since we know the amount of the tax is 30 and the original price was 500, we add them. And that gives us 530. Let's look at another example, like number 8. So here we have a discount this time. So this time we are subtracting the discount from the original price. We still have to find 15% of $150. So we move the decimal point 2 spaces to the left. So you have 15, and moving it 2 spaces to the left, you get 0.15. 15% equals 0.15. We have 0.15 multiplied by 150. And that gives us 22.5. We're saving money, so we subtract that from the 150. And our selling price is 127.5. Let's look at 11. So a tip, that means we're adding, like with the first example. So we have 10% or 20% of 24. 20% as a decimal is 0.2. Multiplied by 24. And that gives us 4.8. We add that to 24 and we get 28.8 for the price. Now let's go down to some problems here. Let's look at number 15 first. So the company charges $400 for its services. And there's going to be a 15% tip. And they're asking, how much is the tip? So unlike the previous problems, we don't want the full price, we just want the tip. So to get the amount of tip, we do 15% of 400. 0.15 is 15%. Multiplied by 400. And when we do that, we get 60. Let's go down to number 18. So with this one, they tell us the total is 220, and we're going to be applying a sales tax of 6%. And they're asking us the final price. So this time we want not just the tax or the tip, we want the full price. And since it is a tax, we are adding on money. So we do 6% of 220. 6% as a decimal is 0.06 after moving it 2 places to the left. Then multiplied by 220. And that gives us 13.2. So that's the amount of the tax. Add it to 220 to get your full amount. And your full amount is 232.2.